My name's Todd. This is Christian.
Hi.
We're going to review our brand new stainless steel coffee machine.
Oster.
You get that? Zoom in on that. All right, let's open it up.
It's gonna run on.
No, yeah, that's okay. You see here? All right, go ahead, take it out, Christian.
Yes.
Stand here, come back here behind the counter with me. Go ahead, open it up. What you got? Pull it straight up.
Alright. Oh boy.
All right, here she comes.
I don't even drink coffee.
No problem. I love coffee.
This machine will change my mind.
All right, so far we see it's packed. Pretty simply packed.
Comes ready assembled.
With the owner's manual. All right, take that out. Good job. Nice glass. Nice plastic. Anything up here?
Nope, you got your...
Ooh, this is the most important part, the mesh screen. That way you don't have to buy the paper.
So you like buying paper?
You do? No, I don't like to. This is more sustainable. You know, all more trash in the trash dumps. Great mesh filter. All right, get those tapes off.
Tape does not leave any...
Here, come around this way. Now, one thing that we are going to do, that we're going to edit it out, but I'm not going to run a cup of coffee through this without washing it first. So we're going to fill this up with water, hot water, and run it through just to get out any of the factory grease or dirt that was in there from shipping or manufacturing. Got all the things off of there?
Yeah, tape didn't leave any weird, sticky
All right.
crap.
All right. Let's plug it in right over there. Put your filter in, and I'm going to fill it up with water.
Sexy.
Sexy. How's it feel?
Feels like metal.
Is it real steel, you think? It is. You want to pour it in? You pour it in.
Just right there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Right in there.
Awesome.
Good to go.
Whoa.
That's normal, but a few drips. Wait. Wait a second. Get that out of there. Alright, go. Now, on this one, you can choose aroma. In other words, if you love coffee, you can choose it lighter, darker, or medium. I like my coffee as much caffeine as possible, so my aroma would be full force. All right, let's do program. See if we can do it together. You go. Program.
Nothing.
Let's see.
Let's read the directions. Maybe.
Come on, Anna. Let's see what's in the directions. We'll let it out. Anything out we don't like later. It's got to be here. The rest is Spanish. Maintaining. Plug the coffee cord in. Press the hour and minute buttons until you reach the current time. Hour and minute button.
Aha.
It is 12:54.
Guess I hold it.
Come here, Hannah, so you can see how simple it is. He's putting the right time on there.
Come on. This is painstaking.
Set the delay brew time. Well, that's because I use that. Like if you want the coffee to go off at 6 a.m., so when about time you get out of the shower, your coffee's ready for you at 6:15. But we want to set the aroma flavor. All right, turn it on. Hit on. It's on. And then we won't stay this here the whole time, Hannah, but it should drip something.
After it heats up and all that.
Yeah, it's going to heat up. And then now when you have software on your laptop that'll edit all that out, whatever we wanted. Yeah.
Can I stop it?
No, it hasn't dripped yet. Or you can wait until it drips. Oh, there it goes. Alright, it's done brewing. There's a cup behind the box. We're gonna see. Let's see how hot it is. One of the most important thing. There's a cup right back there. Take the cup. You got this. One of the most important things when you have coffee is the coffee is hot.
I hope you're not planning on me drinking this.
You're not.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
You can see the steam because of his shirt.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it?
Hot. You don't even need to test the temperature on that water. It's so hot you can't put your finger in it. That is how you make a hot pot of coffee. What would you say? Buy it? For $24.99,
Yeah,
it's worth the money. All right, throw that out.
Why don't you make tea?
Well, we could. That's because we're cleaning it.
Yeah.
You could stop the video. All right. You see, Christian? Come on. All right, it's done brewing. There's a cup behind the box. We're gonna see. Let's see how hot it is. One of the most important thing. There's a cup right back there. Take the cup. You got this. One of the most important things when you have coffee is the coffee is hot.
I hope you're not planning on me drinking this.
You're not.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
You can see the steam because of his shirt.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it?
Hot. You don't even need to test the temperature on that water. It's so hot you can't put your finger in it. That is how you make a hot pot of coffee. What would you say? Buy it? For $24.99, it's worth the money. All right, throw that out.
Why don't you make tea?
Well, we could. That's because we're cleaning it.
Yeah.
You could stop the video.